Alrighty, it is now painted. It has the sealer, the base, the clear. I did 2 layers of sealer on the fiberglass. All right, 2 layers of sealer on the fiberglass because some of it was bleeding through. Some of the body filler, glazing, putty stuff was showing, should I say, not necessarily bleeding through, it was showing. So I did 2 layers of sealer on that, 2 layers of base, and about 3 layers of clear, more on the fiberglass, like the fender, front fender, rear quarter panel. Close to 3, I would say. Definitely at least 2 everywhere else. Some spots just got it heavier because it needed to be heavier. Now, okay, so some parts got 2 layers, some parts got 3, depending on how much orange peel. It wasn't really much orange peel, but certain parts of the car you want to be able to wet sand so smooth and perfect. Really, the quality of this job, it really doesn't need to be wet sanded. It really looks good. Now I do have some runs. The humidity's kind of high. It's been sprinkling off and on this morning. And I knew I had like a 4-hour window of no rain. Today's the last day of 70-degree plus weather in Cincinnati, Ohio. It's going to be in the 60s and 50s and low 40s and upper 30s at night. Fall is here. So I knew I was really on borrowed time regarding getting this done. I mean, again, the sky was just real iffy, but according to the forecast, which isn't always correct, it said that I had 3 or 4 hours of no rain. So I said, bump it. I just took a shower, and I just was determined, like, this is my last opportunity to get this thing painted for another week or so. So let me just do it. So I came back out here and got dirty. It came out real good. Like I said, there's a couple runs. It's not really horrible. I gotta wet sand those out. I'm not really concerned about that. That's easy. It's nothing. The reflection is pretty good, man. You can see that. Man, I hate that you can see with my shirt off. I had a paint suit on, but I tore it every time I kneeled down to get up under that side skirt. It was tearing in the crotch area. So I threw that away. Plus, it has all the paint contaminants on it, so that's gone. Now, you can see that run right there up under the mirror. You see that? Okay, so the point I was trying to bring out earlier is with the weather conditions, with it only being about 74, 75 degrees, we really got to let this clear sit in between coats a little longer. It's not hot out here like it was the other day, so you got to allow more time in between coats. Well, you know me, I'm trying to fight the weather, man. Trying to get this done before it starts raining, so I said bump it. Well, this is what happens. You know, it's the mistake I made. But the runs can be sanded out. Once the stuff hards, you can just wet sand them out. So it's clear, it's done, man. Like paint-wise, the paint's on there. It turned out real well. I'll tell you one mistake that I made, though, was trying to get up in here, this front fender cutout, trying to get the clear all up in there, which is hard to do. I bumped it. I bumped, like, let's see. I bumped it, like, right here somewhere. And with the top of the spray gun, with the can, put a little indentation. And I was like, crap, you know what I mean? Try to, like, put a little tap clear on there real quick. Then I just went crazy and sprayed it with the clear to try to fill it in. It ran like a mud. Look at that run mark. That thing was perfect. It was perfect. Until I did that, that's what happened. A run mark. That's cool, whatever. I'll send that out, but that pissed me off. That thing was perfect. I'm really impressed though, because you know, black hides nothing. It shows everything. So this right here really reveals how good of a job I did with that fiberglass. It's crazy because, again, it came as a fiberglass kit. The car itself, the rear quarter panel, is aluminum. So I had to cut that wheel well out, and I had to blend the fiberglass into it using body filler, using fiberglass filler. And, you know, this is the first time I ever did something so extreme. And to actually see this body line, and it is perfect. It's perfect. is perfect. I mean, look at that. That's crazy. That's gorgeous, man. Something up underneath tried to bleed through and it caused like this weird looking circle shape. And I don't know what that was. I don't know if that's some kind of oil or something on there. It actually created like a shape right there, and then it ran. I don't know, it's some weird junk. I don't know what that was. It did that when I put the sealer on. I don't know why it didn't adhere properly, or why it did that, or maybe, I don't know if I stopped the gun right there and held it. I don't, or if it spit, whatever. When the air pressure kicked back on, I don't know what that was. So I had to layer that up real thick so that I could wet sand that down. But, you know, I'm just talking a lot right now. It's done, man. I'm happy. It's wet. Okay? So the paint's on. A little bit of sun that was out when it hit it, it really showed that sparkle in there. You can kind of see it. Yeah, it's just, here, there you go. Look at that. Zoomed in. That's not dust. That's that metallic sparkle in there. It's beautiful. That flake that comes in that factory AMG black. So it's like an obsidian black or something like that. So it has that sparkle in it. Man, it's gorgeous, man. I'm so happy. So now I can let this thing sit for days. I don't give a crap no more. The paint is done, and it just has to sit and harden. And then I'll come back in a couple of days and wet sand it. Take my time. Or maybe just assemble the whole vehicle and then wet sand it. At the end of the day, I did this myself. BG Customs is back in effect. I'm about to put this car back together within a week or two, and you guys will see what it looks like. I'll even throw the gold wheels on there at this point. I'm happy. Okay? So appreciate you guys paying attention, learning, you know, dropping hints and knowledge to me, because I don't know much or nothing. I'm learning as I go, so I appreciate it. I'm always trying to stay humble, always trying to learn. And if I can save some money doing it myself, well, that's what I'm going to do. And so that's what I did. So I appreciate the attention, and I'll keep on updating you with further progress. Thank you.